Hello guys, today we are going to study lesson 9 that we have uh, several points, 5 points. We have scale, offset, so-called act, double click and triple click. So let's go. Yeah. Okay, so first is scale. Example I draw is something. I click air or click P to push up. Okay, click space is it. Okay, so scale. Click all. You see here scale here. Click on it. So if you wanna make it bigger, size this size, example red size, you can scale it, make it bigger. Or Control Z. You wanna still red size, you can make it bigger. Or you can be blue side. See, you can make it bigger or up something. Oh, sorry, up. See, or you wanna be all including blue, green, and red. I wanna scale all, make bigger like this. At this edge, or this edge, or this edge. Yeah, on this edge, the same. See, and you can type here, scale here, what you want, what size. Example, I type 5. See, you see scale here, enter. Yeah, that's 5. Or again, if you wanna make the scale is 10, click 10, enter. So it's so big, it's 10. Yeah, that's all. I hope you understand it. And the second is offset. So how to do offset? Example, I wanna offset this one, okay. I click here, which one offset? This one offset. See, meaning you have double, and you see the size here. You can offset outside or inside. Example 350, enter. See, or you can offset this one. You can offset this one. Yeah, I click on offset here. See, and make it 350 also. Yeah, and you can extrude this one like push pull. You use push pull. Push pull. Example like this. Or you want offset this one. Offset, push pull. I'm sorry. See, that's call it a offset. Next one, you want to offset this one, yeah, and click on offset here. Drag it to the distance you want. How many? Example 200 mm. Enter. Yeah, that's called it offset. That's all. And next is so-called. What is so-called? Yeah, so-called. Okay, so-called, and pan here and move it up here. This is so-called. So you drag it. Example 1000. Enter. Okay, this is the radius. Yeah, again Okay, this is the radius. How many radius here? You see radius here. Okay, 500 example. So, but you see the edge here. It's not smooth. How to do it smooth? You see it's smooth here. Example the same. 500. I use 500. But after you enter, you click number again. Example 500 S. See here 500 S. Enter. What? Again. 500 and example 200 S. Enter. You see, it's a little bit specific. It's a little bit smooth than this. This is not smooth circle. This is very smooth circle. Example, I want to push this one. See, it's not smooth. This is very smooth. This is not smooth, yeah. See, the circle, this circle is not smooth. This circle is very smooth. Again, how to do smooth? Circle. Click what size you want. You want a radius. 100 example. Enter. After you enter, it's the circle is not smooth. And click again. Example 50 S. Enter. You see. Now the circle is very smooth. That's the technique. The technique, yeah. Click space to visit. And then act. What is act? Okay. What is act? I want to use pen. Okay, I use orbit. Okay. So act. This is an example. I use this tape with the middle. You see it again? Sorry. Oh. This is okay. This is the middle. Again. And this is middle, yeah. And I want to divide this from this to this. Example 500. Again. Example 500. This one. Example this one. And you want to draw act. This is act. Yeah, click on this one. See, that's how to draw act. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, space. You see, it's not smooth. Yeah, it's not smooth. How to do smooth? Example again. This one. Okay, like this. And type number 50. Example S. Oh, it's too large. Sorry. 20 S. See, it's little smoother than this. That we call it act. And then double click and triple click. I use pen. Okay, use pen, yeah. And then I use pen again. Okay, so this object and this object is different. So I want to make it the same object. Okay. So this object and this object is different. So when I select this, it's just only one, yeah? I click one more. So, meaning this is the same. Triple click. That called triple click. Again, this is, again, this is a double click. If you triple click, it means it's like all object. See? Triple click. That's all. I hope you enjoyed this lesson 9. Please subscribe for the next lesson. Bye bye.